How to insert files into existing files in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and open your existing file. Then simply add your cursor from where you want to add existing file. Then click on Insert at the top. In here, on the top right, you'll find Object. Click on arrow beside object and click on text from file. After that, all your folders will pop up. Simply select the one and press on insert and it will be inserted as you can see. But if you want to add same header or footer in the existing file, what you need to do is click on show hide option in the home button. After you've clicked on it, simply click on before it where it starts. Click on layout at the top, then go to breaks and click on next page. After you've added breaks, what you need to do is simply add your cursor front of show hide button. After you have done that, simply go to insert and object text from file and then add your existing file. And as you can see, it will be added with header and footer. Simply press and enter and you're good to go. This is how to insert files into existing files in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.